euros and the opening of a new chapter in its bid to access the EU, that's what member states offered Turkey in November 2015. In exchange, Ankara committed to take measures to stem the flow of migrants passing through its borders to join the EU. French MEP Sylvie Guillaume went to Turkey to assess the situation in the camps and answered the most asked questions on Facebook by the European Parliament's followers on the situation. Turkey has stepped up to accommodate over 2.5 million refugees from Syria. Describe what you've seen there.
Manifestement, il y a des efforts importants de la part des autorités ici de prendre en charge un volume important de personnes, environ 15 000. Il y a des hôpitaux, des écoles, des supermarchés, bref, un certain nombre de facilités, comme on dit, qui permettent à cette population au moins de se poser. Mais les questions ne sont pas résolues pour la suite et il faudra encore fournir beaucoup d'efforts pour se projeter dans l'avenir.
Are you confident that with the EU and Turkey working together, we can find a solution to the refugees crisis?
Ce dont je suis persuadée, c'est que si on ne discute pas, on n'arrivera à rien. Ça, c'est tout à fait clair. Donc cette discussion, elle est entamée. Elle repose pour l'instant sur un accord qui est intervenu entre les autorités turques et les autorités européennes, une forme de deal qui, au terme duquel la majorité des personnes qui sont enregistrées ici doivent rester sur le territoire turc en contrepartie d'un soutien, d'un support encore plus important de la part de l'Union européenne. Mais je crois qu'on ne peut pas en rester à des moments particuliers. Il faut pouvoir se projeter dans l'avenir et anticiper un certain nombre d'autres crises.
Some people say, let's close the borders completely and don't let any other refugees in. How would you respond to that?
Je leur dirais volontiers de venir sur place et de voir ce que représente l'espoir de pouvoir au moins se poser dans un endroit où on n'est pas sous un champ de bombes. Mais je comprends ces réactions, je comprends les peurs. Ce que j'admets moins et ce que je ne peux pas soutenir, c'est qu'on agite ces peurs pour faire en sorte que finalement les égoïsmes nationaux soient renforcés.
As chief of the budget delegation, Jean Arthus met with Turkish officials. His mission: make sure EU funds are spent the right way. He also answered questions asked by citizens on Facebook. Turkey has stepped up to accommodate over 2.5 million refugees from Syria. Describe what you've seen there.
I must recognize the efforts accomplished, implemented by the Turkish authorities. But you know, in the camps, only 10% of the refugees are hosted. And we have to consider also the conditions offered to refugees who are not in the camps.
Are you confident that with the EU and Turkey working together, we can find a solution to the refugees crisis?
We have probably reacted quite slowly, but everybody is in the right position to be efficient now. We have founded a trust fund for Syria, and credits are accessible, and heads of state and government have just confirmed their agreement for the 3 billion budgetary easy.
Some people say, let's close the borders completely and don't let any other refugees in. How would you respond to that?
Some European countries are responsible of the source of migration. We have to re-establish as soon as possible peace in Middle East. Most of those refugees have one desire: come back to their own home country.